Sometimes there are some coins that you can't find on Binance or most of these exchanges, and you want to buy them through Pancakeswap. Let's say a coin like SafeMoon, for example. When you come to CoinGecko app, you search SafeMoon. You scroll down here. This is the contract address for SafeMoon. You copy this address, then go to your wallet. Now, I would have used Trust Wallet for this tutorial, but there is something called the apps, like a browser inside the wallet where you can access an exchange directly. But for the apps, those using iOS, they don't have the function on their app. Maybe they are still working on it. But for the Androids, it's something that normally appears at the middle of here, not this DEX, but it's always down here. So I'll be using SafePower to do this tutorial on how you can purchase from Pancakeswap. So when you open your SafePower wallet, whether on Android or iOS, down here, the middle button down here, click on it. You can easily click on this Pancakeswap here. That's the best option. You can also type in pancakeswap.finance up here, but since they have it down here, there is no need of typing it up there. So you are sure that what's here, it's the correct URL for the website. So you just click on Pancakeswap up here. Confirm. This is Pancakeswap. So the next thing you do is click on connect up here so that it can link this page to your wallet. Click on connect. You choose SafePower wallet down here. Now, if you were using a Trust wallet for this, you click on Trust wallet. If you are using a MetaMask wallet, you click on. For this tutorial, we are using SafePower, so we're going to click on SafePower down here, and it connects to your address, your BSC address. Now, if you don't have BNB, I forgot to tell you this in the beginning, you must have BNB to make a transaction. This is BNB, Binance Smart Chain. There are two types of BNB. The BNB, this is just the token on BEP2 network, and this is the Binance Smart Chain token, the BEP20. If you want to buy any coin or make any transaction on the Binance Smart Chain, you have to transfer to this address. So you click on, when you open this, click on receive, copy the address here and send from your Binance account or wherever you want to send from. Then when you now receive the money, it appears here. And when you click on down here, click on Pancakeswap, it takes you to Pancakeswap, connect your wallet up here, and then your BNB showing here. If you have other coins that you can use to exchange for another coin, it should appear here. Assuming you have BUSD or any other coin under the Binance Smart Chain, it should appear here, and then you proceed. Here they have the BNB, and let's say I want to buy the SafeMoon coin. You can either choose it from here, I understand, or if you don't have, assuming you search SafeMoon and SafeMoon is not appearing, the address you copied from CoinGecko, which is this SafeMoon, or let's look for another DeFi for you. You can copy the address you copied. You can easily come here back to your SafePower and then paste the address of the coin that you want to purchase. When it comes up, click on add and then click on the logo of the coin. It puts this down here. So let's say you want to buy 0.02. You should always leave some BNB for your transaction, so you could just do the calculations behind the scene, like how much dollar is BNB, assuming you want to buy $10 or something like that. Or you can click on the maximum that I just clicked now. The maximum will tell you we only allocate the the highest amount that you could use for the transaction, and then it leaves some amount behind for the transaction fee. So when you click on max or whatever amount you want to buy, it shows you the equivalent of the coin that you want to purchase, whether it's DFY or it's SafeMoon For those buying SafeMoon, it's telling you have to set your spirit tolerance to 12%, and you click on understand how to set your SafeMoon to 12% in case you want to buy SafeMoon. Click on this settings button up here, type in here, set this to 12%, go back, and it will allow you to buy SafeMoon successfully. If it's not on 12%, it's not going to buy it. Any coin that needs you to change the setting of the spillage, you have to go up here, they will notify you, and then you have to go up here and change it. So that's just how it works. Assuming I'm not buying SafeMoon, I want to purchase the fee for you. When you click on max, you click on swap. It brings you to this page where it tells you this amount of BNB will give you 131. If you click on confirm swap, it starts going, and here this is where it brings you to telling you have to pay a gas fee of so amount. If you click on OK, it takes you to a place where you have to put your password. This is if you're using SafePal. Put in your password. Confirm, and it goes through. Transaction submitted. You can view this from the BSC scan. When you click on view on BSC scan, it takes you to the blockchain so that you can monitor your transaction and see if it has gone through or it's still pending. As you can see, it's still pending here. It's going to take a while, maybe a minute or so for it to pull through. Okay. So when the transaction is successful, the BNB leaves here and comes down to the DFY. It shows you your balance in DFY. If you click on this clock icon here, it shows you your swap, BNB. When you click on it, it shows you the transaction and the blockchain success, how it went. Go back. Now when you go to your wallet, refresh your wallet, as you can see, the DFY is not showing up here. I can't find the DFY. So now you have purchased the coin and you're not seeing the coin. So what you do is you go and add the DFY that you purchased. It comes up here, you click on add, go back, and because this transaction was done on a blockchain, it will appear here. This is the money you spent in buying the DFY. Your coin appears here, and this is the beauty of the blockchain. Even if you haven't added the coin yet, it detects that this particular address bought so coin. So whenever you add the coin to the wallet, automatically it brings it up immediately. So that's just it. And if you want to sell on Pancakeswap, the same process. Click on Pancakeswap, confirm, go back, connect your wallet up here, and then down here select DFY. Click on the switch. The DFY should be up and then BNB down, because you want to convert from your DFY to BNB. Now it tells you have to approve DFY, unlike when you were converting from BNB to the coin that you want to buy. It tells you to approve DFY. Click on it. Click on OK. So after it has approved, it now shows you the swap button, and you click on the swap. Click on confirm. OK. Transaction submitted. Now the transaction is now ongoing on the blockchain. If you want to view it as usual to see how it's going, click on view on BSC scan. It tells you pending. So you give it a while. So when the transaction is successful, it shows you success over here. When you go back, You're seeing swap 131 successful. Go back to your wallet, open your BNB and refresh. And your money will be back. When you go to DFY, there is nothing there anymore because you have sold it. So that is how you exchange. Maybe when you have bought a coin and you have made money, maybe a coin you bought at $10 and you have made money from it, you will now exchange back to BNB and you can go and sell to someone on the peer-to-peer platform, the Binance exchange. So that's how to buy and sell with Pancakeswap. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe below if you haven't done that yet. See you in my next video.